You clicked on this video because you seen that money that I got, or you might be just trying to learn how to make money for real. So y'all, let me tell y'all something like this, bro. Some people might know me, some people might not. My name is AMG Liq or LIQ Liq on YouTube. Y'all can see me. I'm currently a YouTuber with almost 50,000 subscribers. And this is just my, where I talk, try to build and try to help and grow habits for people that need, the extra assistance. And I have proof. Let me go ahead and go to it, y'all. I'm about to show y'all what I made on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I really can't show the estimated full total because I think YouTube has like restricted guidelines or something. But y'all, it's 9:53 a.m. and I took this screenshot at 9:52. I just took this. So I don't know if y'all can see that. That's just the breakdown, and I'm making that damn near monthly off my YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all can see that. And that's just like the breakdown from like July all the way. So I'm basically making over $1,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? 1,000 to like 3,000, 2,000, and it all varies, and it's like the 2,000, they add up to the next. So it's really probably like 4,000. It's different. It works in different ways. And that's just one channel. But I got multiple channels now. So probably making over about like 5,000 to 6,000 a month to an estimate on YouTube. So it's probably like 3,000. It just varies from all the channels together. So I'm gonna let y'all know something, bro. How do y'all make money on YouTube is probably how you asking, bro. Subscribers, you can get as lot of subscribers that you can, but forget your subscribers, bro. Your subscribers are not helping you with nothing, bro. Like, they helping you to watch it, but it's views. I had to learn YouTube. I've been on YouTube for about 8 years. I say like 8+ years, 9+ years. And y'all gotta understand, YouTube works on views. Every 1,000 views, you get paid. It depends on how your CPM is. Your CPM is cost per mile. So what cost per mile mean is every time that you hit 1,000 views on a video, you're gonna get paid for that cost. So if it's $10, you're gonna get $10 every 1,000. If it's $20, you're gonna get paid $20 every 1,000. Every channel has different CPMs based on the content that they post. So whenever you get 1,000 views, say if you get 5,000 and you get like 10, you're probably gonna get like $50 for that one post. But you gotta understand, it accumulates over all channels. All like all videos that you post in a month. YouTube takes from what you make from the first of the month to the end of the month and put it together. And all the views that you get from that 1 month, it adds up and get paid out on the 21st of every month. So you only get paid one time a month and then get paid on the 21st of every month. So y'all gotta understand YouTube, how to start getting paid. One thing about it, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. If you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will send you a apply. They'll send you like an apply to apply to the Creators Partnership Program, so you can be involved and start getting paid. Then you'll need an AdSense account. AdSense is how you get paid. Like, you got to set up an AdSense account through your bank account, and after that, you're gonna get money coming through that bank account every time on the 21st. And it hit probably about like, 1 o'clock, 12 p.m. to like 1 p.m. throughout the day. It's going to hit around that time. And it hits only one time on the 21st. So go hard. You know what I'm saying? This is just like some slight, just to tell you the breakdown. I don't really do a lot of talking. I really didn't start getting paid until probably 2020 to 2021. And I've been doing it for a while. Like, since I was in high school, I was filming, but I didn't know what way I wanted to go, so I started vlogging, and then I started doing pranks, and obviously some people might know, I joined a group of friends called 99 Nation. You know what I'm saying? After that, we all started creating content hella together, and then after that, it just elevated and went crazy from there. So I don't know how close y'all is, but YouTube, that's all you need, bro, and that's just the tips. And be original, be organic. Don't make nobody else control what you post on your channel because it's not you, and be original and be consistent. Be consistent, bro. You can make videos sitting in your garage all day and be the garage man and still get 1 million subscribers if you got good concepts and good thought out ideas. Because you got to understand, you as a viewer, when you watching somebody's video, you can show the effort that they put in their videos. So imagine with your channels, what somebody will see about you. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I really got to say for real, for real. I really don't got to say too much. That's basically how you get paid. Get 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Get 4,000 watch hours. If y'all want to know, click the link in my bio. Y'all can come talk to me there. You know what I'm saying? To make more money, even not just with YouTube, with content creation in a whole, because I don't just make money just off YouTube. So I can teach y'all how to make more money in different aspects and different ways. And y'all can go see my channel if y'all want to see my lifestyle. You know what I'm saying? It's just a show because I don't want to flex. I'm here to motivate. So that was just clickbait that you seen when I put the money up on the screen. I'm not really trying to, it's just clickbait. But YouTube is really a way to go, you know what I'm saying? Because all you're doing is just recording your life and doing certain things for free. But it's not just that. Watch who you want to look up to. Watch who you look up to on YouTube. Look at what they doing and not copy. Use your own formula, but look at the designs and details. You can start off your phone. I don't care what nobody say. You can start off your phone. Start posting, start grinding, start getting everything through. And I'm telling you, it's gonna work out in the long run. Give it a month. If y'all want to learn more tips on how to really break down and really grow from a viral video and what they like to see from you, I'm telling you, I'll talk about more in the bio, but that's about it, bro. That's really about it. After that, you'll be good. I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Join Easy Life if y'all want to talk, man. And I'll be gone, man. You.